Today we're making Ikan Bilis Sambal. This is a perfect addition to any Nasi Lemak. Let's get started. Start by removing the heads of the dried anchovies. This next part is optional, but I like to remove the insides of the fish. It gives the final dish a less fishy taste and smell. Now let's prepare our aromatics. Chop up some onions, shallots, chilies, and peel some garlic. Place all the ingredients into a food processor. Add a little water and blend until smooth. Now in a wok, heat up some oil. Add the shallots and fry until fragrant. Now add the onions. Once the onions have softened, we can add the shrimp paste. Press it into the oil so it properly releases its aroma. Next, add some chili sauce, followed by the blended ingredients. Cook on medium-low heat for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, stirring occasionally until the sambal darkens. After that, we're almost done. Salt, add some sugar, and dark soy sauce to taste. Now fry some peanuts, fry some anchovies too. Then plate everything together with Ding Ding Kitchen's coconut rice. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.